ain't shit. Fuck you, man. Go fuck yourself. We can't do this, man. We can't relax, man. This is it, man. This is the goal. We gotta do this shit, man. It's enough. I don't know what to do with you guys. All of you motherfuckers ain't shit. I'm gonna kill everything. I'm gonna kill all of you motherfuckers. Fuck you, man. This ain't the way, man. Fuck you. I'm gonna kill all of you, man. This ain't the way. They didn't fucking die!
I'm sorry, sir.
I heard enough. You're out.
And remember, Satan sees all. Berkowitz, you're up next. Make Satan proud. That's more like it, David. Only one died, though. That will suffice for now. But I'm thirsty for the blood of young girls. And our Lord Satan needs us to kill the whores.
Yes! Yes!
And who is the next chosen one? Master?
You shall be, my dear.
I'm sorry. I stopped as soon as I realized he was the son.
Oh, son? You fucking whore. You did this on purpose.
No, please.
This was your plan all along, wasn't it? You pussy fucking whore. I said let's kill her.
No.
Kill her,
No,
kill
stop.
her, kill her, kill her.
Enough! Blood is blood. However, he didn't die. Be gone, whore. Now remember, I need the blood of 2 young whores! We cannot screw up anymore. The police and media are sniffing around like dogs.
I'll try my best, Father. Excuse me, do you mind telling me?
They were both whores, but they still didn't fucking die. Sons, get your shit together. If you don't, Satan will take your mothers, your sisters, your daughters. Manson, you're up.
I know it was only one whore, but I looked all over, and there were no two together. Trust me, if you give me one more chance, I promise.
This is unacceptable!
Wait. She did die. One more chance to get one more slot, Manson. Don't fuck it up.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Well done, my son. You have rid 2 unworthy whores off our streets. But Satan is still thirsty for blood. Help me quench his thirst, brothers!
Yeah!
Berkowitz, you're up. And this time, take the lives of a young couple.
Maybe right.
Of course I'm right. It's all chill. Wait.
I knew you could do it. I just knew we could count on you, David.
First try and they're both dead. You were made to kill, son. Satan chose you.
Yes, sir.
What's wrong? You should be pleased.
I know, it just don't feel right.
No, none of that, David. This is what you sold your soul for.
Yes, sir. I know.
My son, it is your turn to make us proud. Remember, Michael, a young couple.
Yeah, Dad. Got it.
I like pizza. I could do pizza.
Oh shit!
I did it, Dad. I killed that couple. They didn't die, you fool.
Harvey, please don't.
I'm sorry, I thought they died. Get out. We need to go again, but be careful. The police are everywhere and the press are hot. And remember your promise to Satan. If anyone gets caught, you go down for the cult. You will admit to it all and be punished for your mistakes. Any volunteers?
I will.
Be brave, son.
There he goes. There you go.
Well done, my son.
Hey, good job.
The man survived, but is blinded by your bullet. And the whore is dead!
Come on, man. Great job.
It's my duty to Satan, sir.
So what's this about the police being on our back? Well, they're sniffing around. Apparently they got witnesses and people doing some sketches and stuff.
Satan wouldn't let us go down, though. Would he?
Satan will do what's best for us.
Now that I've got you, who have I got? You know.
No, I don't. You tell me.
I'm Sam.
You're Sam. Sam who?
Sam. David Berkowitz.
I did it, okay? But it was my neighbor's dog. He made me do it. It was a whole cult. About 3 dozen of them.
Your neighbor's dog made you do what exactly?
All the killings and stuff. The son of Sam. He demanded the blood of young, pretty girls. Sam is my neighbor, you see. That bastard demonic dog of his demanded me to kill. I am guilty. Although, not fully. There are other sons out there. God help the world.